Welcome back to the channel. Our question wants us to find out the value of k for which 4x squared plus 5kx plus 10 is a perfect square. Now for integers, if I have 4 obviously is a product of the square of 2 raised to power 2. If I have 16 is a product of the square of 4. That's 4 raised to power 2. Now for quadratic equations, for quadratic equations for perfect squares, I'll be talking of the form of ax plus b all raised to power 2. Now if I expand this will be of the form of ax plus b into ax plus b. So that if I now expand this further, it will expand into ax into ax plus b into ax plus b. So that this is ax all squared, that's a squared x squared plus axb plus another axb plus b squared. So that if I now expand this is of the form of ax squared plus 2axb, or rather I want to arrange it properly, 2abx plus b squared. Now for this equation to actually be a perfect square, it should conform to this form. So that this is of the form of 4x squared, this is a squared, plus 5kx plus 10. That means that my b squared is equals to 10, which implies that b itself will be equals to the root of 10. Also, my a squared will be equals to 4, which implies that a will be equals to 2, plus or minus 2. Now, if a is equals to plus or minus 2 and b is a root of 10, obviously my 5k is equals to 2ab. I'll just pick this to equate here, which are the coefficients of x, so that my k is equals to 2ab all over 5. Now what is a? A is plus or minus 2, and what is b? B is a root of 10. So that k now will be equals to 2 into plus or minus 2 into the root of 10 over 5. So that k is equals to 4, that's plus or minus all over 5, plus or minus 4 root 10 all over 5. Now with this, I've been able to find the value of k, and I hope you further understand the concept of perfect squares. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.